In today's video, I'll show you how you could color grade in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So this is the easiest and the most simple way that you'd be able to apply color grading into your footage. As you can see, this is the footage right here that I would want to apply my color grading into. So what I will do here is that I will basically get a reference footage right here. For example, in this footage, I like the color grading and I would want to apply this into my footage right here. So you could just grab a picture from the internet that has the color grading that you'd want, and that way you won't have to mix it yourself. You can just copy it directly from that footage or from that picture, just like this one. And now, is that here in my footage, it's not yet color corrected. As you can see, the colors are still dull. We would just want to go here into the color first, because we can just color correct the footage here first so that it would look good. To do that, you just simply need to select the footage in here and then go here into this tab right here and click on A to automatically color correct the footage. As you can see, it now looks good. The difference is massive. As you can see right here, this is the uncorrected color and then this is the corrected color. And now, to apply this filter or this color grading into our footage, we just simply need to select our footage right here. And if you can see the clips in here, just make sure that you click here on clips. Now, once you have selected your clip, right click on the reference clip right here for color grading and click on shot match to this clip. Now, as you can see, we now have the color grading here from this clip. And now when we play it, let's go back here into the edit tab. We will now have that right here, as you can see. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to color grade your footage here in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.